Somebody downstairs. Burglars. Yes. Well, I had all my Christmas stuff stolen last year. It's not gonna happen again. This time, I'm prepared. Right then. Let's rock and roll. It's a hoodie. Right, Mr. Hoodie. Take that! Right then, Mr. Hoodie. Santa, I'm terribly sorry. Obviously, a case of mistaken identity. I didn't mean to do this. Are we still friends? Hooray! I've had a note from Santa. Proof, if proof were needed, I think, that Santa has probably forgiven me for the misunderstanding. Well, let's see what it says, shall we? Welsh bloke. I hate you. Don't expect to get anything from me. I would rather eat my own spleen than deliver to your house. If you ever come within 20 feet of me again, I will rip your legs off and beat you to death with the soggy ends. Eat poo and die, why don't you? Santa. Yes, well, you know, I dare say it probably needs more time to Well, anyway, I hope you and your families have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Nadolig llawen I chi. And I'll see you again next year. Probably.